Donnie Pangilinan, Bel Mariano sa tagumpay ng tambalang Dunbel, we are just ourselves, we are here as a team, para sa kapamilya phenomenal love team na sina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano. Isa sa dahilan ng tagumpay ng Dunbel ay ang pagiging totoo at sincere nila sa mga fans. In fairness, mukhang sina Donnie at Bel na nga ang susunod sa yapak ng isa sa pinakamatagumpay na young love team sa Philippine showbiz, ang Kathniel, Catherine Bernardo at Daniel Padilla. Habang pinanonood ang hit series nilang Can't Buy Me Love sa Netflix ay nakikita namin sina Kath at DJ sa kanila. Lalo na kapag nagbabatuhan na sila ng mga pakilig na dialogue. Ayon kay Donnie nang matanong sa press con ng Can't Buy Me Love kamakailan, naniniwala sila na ang pagsuporta nila ni Bel sa isa't isa at ang pagtatrabaho bilang team ang isa sa sekreto ng kanilang tagumpay. Kami ni Bel, the most important thing talaga is we are here as a team. We're here to support each other. So, the fact that we're given these types of blessings, the opportunity to tell stories, we really don't take it lightly, we do our best to give it all talaga. Pahayag ni Donnie na puri ng manunood sa Can't Buy Me Love. At the end of the day, we really want to give quality entertainment for everyone. Ayun lang, I think we are just ourselves. I honestly really don't know how to answer this question sometimes, but I'm just very blessed to be able to go to this with you. Dagdag pa ng binata sabay tingin kay Bel say naman ng kapamilyang actress, we're very grateful to be here. Maraming salamat. I think a factor too is being aligned with one another. We both have the same goal and that is to deliver a great project. Aniya pa, Mr. Kasagpa here, subscribe muna yan for more news updates.